Today, I'm in Delhi with the Madhus team at the training facility, and we're just wrapping up after a great evening, entertaining, demonstrating and having great conversations with the Madhus customers. We've spent the last 4 hours talking with customers and their engagement with the Hunter brand. I've had some great questions about where the Indian market is heading regarding EV vehicles, low profile tyres, and how they are going to resolve those issues they're seeing. The facility in Delhi for Madhus is one of the best I've seen and equal to the other 2 facilities they have in India. It has the full range of Hunter equipment, and not only that, it has some great staff members who know how to operate, demonstrate and show all the benefits of our wonderful equipment. We've had such a great day. The whole sales team for Madhus has been present. They've got all the Madhus red shirts on, and they've dealt with over 40 customers tonight. It's been a great night. I'd like to thank Caddeo and your sales team for organising tonight. We had customers coming over 400 kilometres away just to see the Madhus team, myself, and the wonderful equipment from Hunter.